Yo, what's up everybody? We just arrived to the Central World in central Bangkok. It's Sunday afternoon around 7 p.m. We had a busy afternoon because we just changed our apartment and we were waiting for the guy who came to install our Wi-Fi and everything. We're gonna make a video about our new place of living in Bangkok and cost of living in upcoming next few days or weeks. But meanwhile, we are in central Bangkok, Central World Mall. This is the fancy Apple store, which is like an oval shape. My favorite one, but we're not gonna shop anything there inside anyways. But we just arrived to the central one and outside there's so much is going on. There's like a cosplay display or something like that. So many people dressing as the characters from the games, from the movies, from many fancy things. We're gonna explore what's going on there. It's Sunday afternoon, so as big city, Bangkok is huge city, over 8 million people living here. Always is something going on the weekend, so you're never gonna get bored with the city and in this city. This is the Apple store what I was mentioning before, and as you can see actually so many people. This is the entrance to the Central World and we are going to the Sky World. There is actually metro going left and going right, you can choose. You can see already so many these people here. We're gonna go down here, check this out, what's going on around. So this is the Apple store to let you know where we are, and check this out, just at the front is so many people. I mean so many photographers as well, so many other YouTubers I believe, but so many people dressing very interesting way. This guy is preparing behind his eye. And look at this one, and this lady is posing for makeup. Actually this guy covered me actually right now, but like this one in general.
So one thing I just realized here, the young people are super creative, you know, they dress up just like the cartoon in their imagination, probably the favorite cartoon. You see that behind me? Very nice. And look at this is how they are dressing up. They prepare everything by themselves. You know, they bring their own luggage with all of the costume. So pretty.
Like those people, this is the pirates and everybody. Yo, what's up? So cool, huh?
Yeah, and this one also so nice. Look at this.
So cute actually. I really I really like how they are enjoying their weekends and how they creative actually here, right?
Prefer they are being like this, you know, super creative, you know, rather than maybe just playing on the phone gadget. But look at this. Wow.
So cool actually, and this is just the beginning. Look at this lady posing. She even has a professional lights actually. Well, that's actually, I supposed to work with the lights like this or to making the YouTube videos. That's so cool. And look at this guy also with his gun. So cool. You can touch the tail even. How cool is that?
How cool is that? How long
So
you
cool.
dress up like this? 2 or 3
2-3
hours.
hours?
Yes. Oh, you have a red eyes as well. Yeah.
Red
so what
eyes?
is this? Anime or?
Is Mongmaya Ichigo from Tokyo Mew Mew.
Oh, from
It's
Tokyo.
remake. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
remake
So
version.
cool.
Oh wow.
So
Super
cool.
cool.
I like it.
Thank you.
Thank
Khop kun ka.
Thank you.
I like your pronunciation.
What I can say then, even maybe they speak little English, but they're trying their best to explain what they dress actually, and mostly they dressing up like, you know, anime from Japan. Like I don't know what she explaining before. So she dress up for 2 or 3 hours. Let's go explore more. Look
Explore
at that.
more. Look at that. Some of them, they really have a very creative outfits, I'm gonna tell you. And this feels a little bit like you're already in Japan. Oh, look at this lady over there actually as well. Look at that, how the crew is actually prepared to making the pictures, you know, with the lights and everything. How cool is this? Look at this one. Also nice. They have
So-
even photographer behind.
This is like a Japanese fashion street.
So cool.
And also look at that. Wow.
So many people actually here.
And look at that. They are sitting together. They are playing. Let's follow me. What they are doing.
Yeah, how cool is that, right? They are just really enjoying their time together. That's very
playing
cool.
Uno.
Yeah. Hi, how you doing? How cool
Look at
is
that. So nice.
Yeah, definitely. You don't need to go to Tokyo to feel Tokyo here in Bangkok today. So cool actually, something totally new than usual.
Look at that. He also have a sword.
Yeah, how cool is that, right? can see actually on every single corner you can find those people, and they are very happy also to making check this out, making pictures and videos, and they even playing some games at the front as well. On the big screen. This is just at the front of the mall, so it's actually super cool. Look at this one actually. This lady is so cool, huh?
So when I was young in their age, one thing that I know is just like going to school, study, and then maybe helping my mom, you know. But look at this, amazing.
Thai Idols Meet and Greet Timetable, Japan Expo Thailand 2023. These two girls are definitely the stars here regarding the photographers, how many people making the pictures of them. But yeah, that's so cool actually. So that was actually very cool. I really happy as the young people here in Thailand, they enjoying their time. Even of course they're making so many pictures and videos everywhere around, but they are very creative, right? That's actually really cool. Still you can find them everywhere here around. We are going now to Siam Paragon area, exploring a little bit of the city center of Bangkok today. It's Sunday, so you know, little bit of the traffic situation. The central world is actually at the front, and still all the time everywhere where we are here, actually central world, there are skylinks, so you can walk in there, you know, connecting the stations of the BTS, or just walking down there. You see they are still over there making the pictures with the lights. We are going into Siam Paragon area, which is actually from central world. You just go straight all the time, you can find the way. Sayang, look at this one, the London taxi in Bangkok lah. You don't need to go to London to see the taxi, you don't need to go to Tokyo to see the people. Everything is in Bangkok, and tuk-tuks and old bus, and we just arrived at the front of the Siam Paragon Mall. Yeah, it's huge actually.
One thing that about Bangkok city, many people, you know, saying that, oh, you are living in Bangkok city, it's much boring. But what I can see and what I can feel, like, you know, I used to live in Bali for 32 years, you know, like going to the big city life is pretty new things for me, and I always found something interesting here. Even it is sweaty, messy, loud, but I don't know what I can say. Bangkok is very enjoyable.
Pretty normal. Like, I was born in the small village in Poland, actually pretty far from the huge metropolitan city, like 150 kilometers. So for me, being in the big city, same like for Winny, it's like something interesting, and the same it's working in vice versa. If you guys born in the big city like Bangkok, or I don't know, Sydney for example, or somewhere in the huge city, you maybe feel as the nature is more interesting for you right now. And well, this is like pretty natural, normal thing for everybody from all around the world. And this is the Siam Paragon already. Welcome to Siam Paragon. This is very popular mall, very big. And look at this metro system behind me. Two trains, just one behind the lower one. Actually, one taller, one lower. Something like that. Cool.
Look at that, there are two trains on the top. So what I can say that I think this is a pretty normal things, that if you used to live in urban, you know, life, you really want to go to rural area. But if you used to live in rural life, so you really want to go to urban area.
So the Siam Paragon is just at the front with this beautiful fancy looking clients and the walls like this one, actually so cool. This is the place where you can find all the fancy brands like Louis Vuitton and all of this one. You can count this. And there is the Siam Center, and this is the Siam BTS station actually. And well, this is like what, a daytime, few days ago was here nothing, now it's some little market. So well, so much is going on, especially on the weekends. And this guy and this kids actually are here as well. So as you can see everywhere today, well, Siam Center. Maybe we're gonna get a little bit inside. I think I need a little bit of the aircon right now. Also little the place for the buying some foods here. And look at this old classic Volvo. Okay, not Daihatsu, Volvo, they have it here. I was a little bit surprised. Okay, that's the food options. Let's get inside a little bit more. I need aircon lah.
So many people saying that Bangkok is only for food and shopping. So this is it, how it is. We just come here and this is already the food.
This very nice food truck with the ice creams, by the way. It looks like this one, Duca team. having ice creams for 39 bahts. I think I will have it with you. So I wanna have an ice cream. Very nice looking. And me, I'm gonna show you 360 degree. How does it look like? Yo, what's up? So much is going on here. Very nice foods. This is like temporary. Yesterday wasn't. Today is it? So cool. One more time, Siam Paragon at the front for the luxury brand shopping for everyone who are interested. Remember, there is the wall with so many lights. All the fancy shops you can find there. But we are going to Siam Center, which is more like for the regular people, I could say, the brands. Also, if you go straight crossing all of this mall, you can go to MBK Center, where is the fake market. We also made a video there recently, a few days ago. But let's get inside the mall a little bit and what we can find here. So many cool stuff for sure. But what is the most coolest? Aircon, guys, aircon. Look at this fancy shop of gelato. Me more gelato, so cool. And well, what we can find here? Huge Nike shop, that's for sure. I can already see the ads. So this is the Nike shop, flagship shop actually, with the fancy center looking. You can buy definitely nice Jordans or Air Maxes here with your sizes. Last time somebody said this is very hard to buy big sizes of the shoes in Asia. It's not true, at least not in Bangkok. In Bangkok, in Kuala Lumpur, in Singapore, you can find the shoes of any size and the clothes of any size. If the brands like this one, you don't need to worry about that, as there is not. And also all of the stuffs in the malls like this one, in the shops, they are genuinely original ones. Also on the TheMonkeys shop, you can buy these beautiful t-shirts and 4 different models actually, also genuine TheMonkeys production. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow.